Chapter number 4, Introduction to MS Access 2010. Microsoft Access is a database management system (DBMS) from Microsoft that combines the relational Microsoft JET database engine with a graphical user interface and software development tools. It is a member of the Microsoft Office suite of applications, including in the professional and higher editions or sold separately. Luke Chang is the president and the founder of FNS, a leading provider to third-party developers tools for Access. When there is a large amount of data and you want to organize it, having a database is a great help. If there is a structure of data so that it can be broken down into smaller pieces, the entire information can be put into a database and conveniently accessed. Database Management System (DBMS) is software or a set of programs using which the data retrieval and entry or edit of data become easier. Some examples of DBMS are MS Access, Oracle, FoxPro, and SQL Server. Advantages of DBMS. There are advantages related to DBMS compared to a table data sheet we may make over ourselves. Due to the following advantages, a DBMS is preferred. It provides duplication of data and ensures that there is only one instance of the certain data. The software has its provision automatically. In real life, it is usually not possible to check or duplicates if the data size is large. Duplication of data is also known as data redundancy. It helps avoid data inconsistency. This means that if a single database is used by multiple people, then it also ensures that the same data is present for all the users. For example, let's say the certain database is accessed by two departments of a company. The two departments are personnel and HR. If the two departments access the data almost simultaneously, then one department will see the update by the other department or not. DBMS helps solve these issues. A variety of sophisticated technologies are used to access and update all view data from the database. The DBMS can ensure different view for the different uses of the database. This helps keeps the confidentiality of the data same. MS Access is DBMS, which is a part of MS Office suite. It can store data and execute various options on its data like store data, search for data, add, modify and delete data, query data, produce report. Database concept. The database, among other things, contains tables. Data in the database is organized in this table. The different rows of the data or table are different instances of data and the columns are subdivision inside each such data. Each columns of the table contains value of same type. Same type here means they are of a specific category of the data. For example, your name is Mohit, but your age is not a set of alphabets, but is a number. The different type of data are text, memo, numbers, date and time, and currency. First, text. This is used to used to for text such as name or numbers on which no calculation will be made. For example, a telephone number or name of a person, it can store up to 225 characters. Memo. This is used for lengthy text and number such as with notes and description. It can store up to 65,536 characters. Numbers. This contains number on which calculation is possible. Date and time. This is used for dates and times. Currency. This is used for currency value and to prevent the rounding of the calculation. A good example of database is telephone directory. An example, as we can see, name of the people are contained in the name column, the corresponding address are contained in the address column, and similarly for the telephone numbers. Starting MS Access. How to start MS Access? Click on Start button, click on All Programs, click on Microsoft Office and then click on Microsoft Access 2010. Creating database. How to create database? Let's learn how to create a new database called ONE. Step 2. Create a database. On opening Access, the Microsoft Access window open. Under the File tab, click on New. From the available option, click on Blank Database, then type a new file name and click on Create in the right pane. All database files have .accdb extension. The database is created with an empty table with a name Table 1. Database objects. There are quite a few database objects that are used while the database is in operation. The various database objects are table, query, form, report, macros and codes. Table. Tables are used to store data in a row and columns. Queries. These are ways to selectively retrieve and or display data inside the table. Forms. These are ways to view the content of the table one record at a time. Reports. These are used to summarize and present data in the tables. Macros and codes. A macros is a set of actions created in order to automate some task. The code refers to the declaration, statement and procedure written in the Visual Basic All Application VBA programming language. Table views. A table created can have multiple views. First, design view. The design view. This view is used to give the field name, data type and description of fields. The data setting, the data sheet view. This view shows the table with the data inside in it. It is convenient to add, delete or edit data using this view. Third, pivot table view. This view provides a useful way to summarize data about group of records. Fourth, pivot chart view. This view creates a chart from associated pivot table view. Changing the views. How to change views? To change the view, follow the given step. First, click on the database file. Double-click the table name in the navigation pane of left. Doing the above will open in the table in datasheet view. 4. Click on the view drop down button in the view group on the home tab. Select the view from the list that you want to open. In the next session, we are learning about creating a table, to add data to a table, to modify the data design, to add a new field, creating a table in datasheet view, modified a table design, to delete a field, to rename a field, to changing data type of field, adding, deleting and modifying data in table.